Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for Charlotte County, Central Halifax County, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include South Boston, Halifax, Keysville, Charlotte Courthouse, Phoenix, Virgilina, Clover. This includes the following streams and drainages: Bales Spring Branch, Austin Creek, Ashcamp Creek, Bannister River, Aaron's Creek and Armistead Branch.